Some elephants paint, some play the harmonica, but this guy, he's out here running a lost and found service. Meet Shan Mai, a 25-year-old elephant living at the Shandiao Wildlife Reserve in China. When a young visitor accidentally dropped their shoe into the enclosure, Shan Mai picked it up with his trunk and politely handed it back because apparently, even elephants know how expensive kids' shoes are these days. In a heartwarming twist, the child paid the gentle giant with some grass. That's right, forget ents and credit cards. We're back to the barter system. The internet fell in love with the clip, proving once again that humanity's faith can be restored, as long as animals keep doing our emotional labor.